Hi guys, welcome to day 2 of our 31-day YouTube and t-shirt series. Today we will be doing a variation of this. It's epoxy resin and it's on a glass cutting board that I got from the Dollar Tree. They come in round and they come in square, and we're doing a square today. We're going to do more spring colors and yeah, so just a little FYI, I get a little carried away in doing this, and it will probably trigger some folks saying stop, leave it alone. Trust me, I do at some point just leave it alone. But so today's t-shirt, and it's not really a t-shirt, it's a sweatshirt, and it says time to explore, and it's in a burgundy glitter vinyl, and it is on a Gildan dry blend. So these guys will be $18.99 on the website. And the website is leannelavender.com. I will have it listed up here and as well as in the description down below, so you can check it out. I will have 4 smalls, 4 mediums, 3 larges, 1 extra large, and 2 2X. I am currently wearing an extra large, and it is very roomy, and I'm a very fluffy person, so I would say order true to size. Anyway, I hope you enjoy it. If you do, give it a thumbs up, turn on those bell notifications, subscribe, and share it away, and don't forget to check out the website. See you soon. Alright, we're back. So like I said, we're going to cover this glass cutting board. They have them in the squares and the rounds at the Dollar Tree, and there's a plastic over them, so we're going to take that off. Right. So I have my epoxy resin already separated into 50-50 in my cups, and I'm gonna pour the more fluid one into the thicker one. I've ordered the pumps so that I don't have to waste as many cups. Ooh. So I feel like doing it this way wastes so much. Alright. Alright. I am going to mix this up. It'll take me about 5 minutes, so I will be back. Alright, I am back, and I have mixed this up. Also, I have put down a silicone mat under the plate that I'm working on, and also put on some gloves and a mask. Well, I haven't put a mask on, but I am working in a well-ventilated room. But you need to use gloves and a mask when working with this. A mask, especially if you're not in a well-ventilated room. So, and it's going to be mixed some more once we separate it into some colors. So I'm going to set that off to the side. And like I said, I want more springy colors, so I'm going to definitely do a yellow. I got my music playing in the background. I hope I don't get copyright. I like this fuchsia. Let's grab a blue. And I have this set of mica powders. I got them off of Amazon, and they are little 0.5 gram bags of mica. More than enough to do many projects. I will put a link to where I purchased these colors on Amazon. I think I've got, I don't know, maybe 40 colors here, and I paid less than 30 bucks. And of course I put them in some sort of, a little bit of an order. Let's do this blue rose. Let's see, we've got these 3 colors. And let's do a light purple. That's a rosemary. And let's start with that and see. I'll probably mix up a white. I need to get my white. So we've got 4 colors here, so let's go ahead and separate out 4 of these. And we're not gonna need, because it's not gonna be a thick layer over this, it's just gonna be enough to decorate it. So I might be able to get some side projects out of this that I've mixed up. Alright. I also, and I think I got these at Hobby Lobby. They're little bitty spoons. And so that's what I've been using to go in here and scoop out. So I'm going to, and you can use the same spoon. So I'm these colors mixed up, but I got my titanium dioxide to mix up my white, and it is a big old bag. So I'm gonna try to get my little mixer in here. Alright, I'm gonna set this bag to the side. Alright. This is just going to need a little bit of extra mixing because it can be clumpy. Alright. There we go. A silicone mat down, and I have my movable mat right here so that when I get done I can move it to a nice level spot out of the way. Alright. Move up my sleeves. I love this shirt, but it's a little warm here in my studio. So this is the clear, and so what we're going to do is we're going to go right into the center and pour a nice amount, and then it's just a matter of putting it down how you want it. So let's put some blue here. Alright. This is not really spreading out as much as I wanted it to. It must be really level. So I'm going to move. I am stopping. So this has got to set for 10 to 24. Well, it is set until tomorrow. And so we will come back and we will see how it turned out. It'll be overnight for me and just a few minutes for you. So thank you. All right. Good morning. And it is literally morning. It is 7:15 in the morning. And it's the reason why the little corner camera's not on. Because I just got out of bed. I had my cup of coffee. I wanted to see how my project turned out. Okay. Let's see. Well, that hardened. That's a good sign. So, there. Alright, let's pull this bad boy off. There we go. Ooh, lots went under it. Well, must say that I think I used too much resin. But you guys probably guessed that yesterday. And so I'm sure that helped. Let's get that over here. But you know what? It is very smooth. It is very smooth. And I don't know. I really like the colors. You guys might not. Look at that. Let's see if I can get this to zoom in. Look at that. That is so pretty to me. Let's see. The yellow on the end. Alright. I don't know if I can get you to capture the complexity. Really, I like it. I wish that maybe I had not done this pink, and I wish I had more of the yellow. I lost a lot of the yellow, but overall I like it. Drop your comments below on your opinions. And it is actually coming. Don't know what's going to happen when I get to the end here. This is so cool. Oh wow, okay. Looks like this piece is totally, oh, alright, let's see if I can get pliers out. I think I'm going to have to grab here and start again. Yeah. Keep in mind this is glass, so I'm trying to be very careful. Ooh. Yay. And it is coming out in one piece. Alright, I gotta get my pliers out of here. That looks cool. Okay. I'm gonna finish this up and I'll be back. Alright. I could just step back, re-record this, and show this. So here is the back, completely cleaned off. Here are the pieces that were on the back. What saved me is this is completely smooth. The top part was kind of gritty, but this part is completely smooth. So once I broke the seal, so to speak, these pieces just started coming right off. So, big save. I am very pleased. It will be going upstairs. Look at the underside where all the white settled to the bottom. But this will be going upstairs in my kitchen. I do love it. It is unique. It's one of a kind. So when you're an artist or when you're crafty, just be crafty. You know, sometimes it's going to fail and sometimes it will be works of art that bloom out of chaos and craziness. So anyway, this is Leanne. I've completed this project and we will move on to tomorrow's project. Thank you and have a great day.